How to find users near me on Instagram. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to find Instagram users near your place where you are located now. After you open up your Instagram app like this, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you tap on this menu, go to account center. After you open account center, scroll to down and go to this your information and permission. Now scroll to down and tap on this upload contacts. So select Instagram. So make sure now we turn on this option. As you can see now, I turn on the option. After you turn on this option, now tap on this back arrow, go back again. So after you tap on this back, now tap on this search button. After you come to the search, now tap on this search button and type in your current location name. So I'll type in my current location name. As you can see now, let's say South Africa. So after you type in your current location name, tap on this search button at the bottom right side. After you search now, tap on this places at the left, tap on this places. After you tap on these places, as you can see now, tap on this South Africa again, your location. So in this section now, tap on this recent button. This recent, tap on it. So in this recent, now you can be able to see all users near your location on Instagram. As you can see now, allow it to finish loading. So as you can see now, hey, all are the posts that I made from the location where I'm located now. As you can see now, if I open the post now, all I can be able now to open the person profile. As you can see now, if I open this person profile, this person, as you can see now, this person is coming from South Africa. That's it guys on how to find users near me on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.